Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuses and relays for the rear tail lights are located, we're talking about rear tail lights, brake lights, stop lights, turn signals, reverse lights, fuses and relays. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays for the rear tail lights, stop lights, brake lights, turn signal lights and reverse lights, fuses and relays on that Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban here. Both vehicles should it should work on both vehicles because they're built on the same platform. The main difference is the Suburban is longer, guys. Now, quick thing, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there are many hidden fuse boxes in it. That's okay, guys. That's why we made that special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. Check it out if you need help with that. Today we're working easy to access fuse box. Lucky for us, open the hood, come to the driver's side. You see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have a fuse box. Open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, you wonder, okay, now what do we need to check? Quite a few fuses and relays. So the first one that we need to check is fuse 34. We're talking about this little 10 amp fuse right here. After that you need to find fuse number 42, which is right here, and fuse number 43 right there. All this will need to be checked. After that you need to locate fuse number 49. 49 will be that one right here, and you need to check relay 51. We are talking about that relay here. Those are the main fuses and relays, guys, that you will need to check on your Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.